The wild peacock has a special place in poetry and folklore of southern Pakistan. The bird is considered sacred and killing it a sin. But in the last few years, peacocks have died in their hundreds. As more humans take over their habitat, their numbers continue to dwindle. Environmentalists believe, in addition to human intervention, climate change is also to blame. The desert ecosystem is sustained by replenishing the underground water table, but its depletion has accelerated with no rain and rapid extraction.
Dried up water sources affected biodiversity here. A lack of rain and very strong winds during unusual seasons is having an impact. The diminishing numbers of peacocks and deer is also destroying the beauty of Thar.
In addition to drought and persistently high temperatures, a lot of damage has been done by humans to this fragile ecosystem. Wells for the local population and mega projects such as Pakistan's largest open-pit coal mine also use high volumes of water. The mining company says it's doing all it can to minimize the environmental impact.
It's not just Tharparker's wildlife which is at stake. This is what is happening to a major source of livelihood for the people here. Nomadic cattle herders who've grazed these lands for centuries are having to move because of extreme weather changes.
The main source of income is agriculture and livestock in the southern Tharparker region. An estimated 6 million cattle are a source of meat for all of Pakistan. But with a persistent dry spell, not enough fodder is available. And what's available is too expensive for many herders. Many are selling their cattle at a fraction of the market price.
There
were no rains from the last few years. It's a drought. No fodder and no water have made my cows weaker, and that's why we're leaving this area.
The government says it will have to declare a drought emergency in the region if there are no rains by August.
Basically, Tharparker की जो economy है ना वो agriculture.
Tharparker's economy is based on agriculture and livestock. Both need to be modernized with drip irrigation, kitchen gardening and modern cattle farming in order to save lives.
Arid areas are at the highest risk from man-made and natural changes in the environment. And those whose ancestors have called this region home say they are struggling to survive. Osama bin Javed, Al Jazeera, Bharo in the Tharparker Desert.